Well, I don't know. Don't know if I just ruined my drone or not, but I thought I'm gonna. It's soaked.
Wet.
Wet.
Why did you got it wet?
Well, trust me, Daddy wasn't trying to.
When we were watching it, Gabriel and I was watching it through the window, and I said, "Oh no, no, no!" And he said, "Oh no, don't drive it into water, Dad."
But right
now it's wet. I don't know what happened. I don't.
Oh man, that's the.
I have no idea what happened. Takeoff was fine. I did get a warning that was saying it could not locate my GPS signal. So it couldn't like find my home base, you know? And then I just like, well, I'm gonna fly over our little pond reservoir. And I flew over it, and it's like as soon as it got over the water, it just nosedived right into the water. So luckily it was only like 3 feet deep. Maybe not even 3 feet deep. Anyway, I reached my hand in there and grabbed it. But so now I'm gonna get it hopefully dried out, and hopefully it'll still be working whenever
Dad,
it's all dry.
why did you got your hand wet?
I had to get the drone in the water. Can you believe that?
No.
Crazy. You. Hey, Chason, show me what's on your arms. That was a permanent marker. Yeah, he was upstairs playing, came downstairs, marks on his arm, permanent marker. And while he was doing that, guess what I did? I spilt water everywhere. Water, 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 water. So we have a Berkey water filter. I normally don't have an issue with this, but something happened, and I injured my shoulder over the weekend, and if I try to raise my hand up over my head, it hurts badly. And I was trying to get this up there myself. Anyway, it didn't work out. I spilt it, and I got water everywhere. Got a mess right now, so I got to get it cleaned up. We do get our water from the spring, and I do have a filter that it comes in through in our storage room. As far as like for actual drinking water, we drink quite a bit of water. Sometimes when we get rain, the spring head gets a little bit murky, and so I've had it to where I have filled this thing up, and it's been brownish, and by the time it filters it out down here, crystal clear, really good water. So really like our Berkey. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below, but we've been really happy with them. Well, so far all we've gotten is a dusting, but more is supposed to be coming later tonight. You didn't know you had a permanent marker, did you? Mm-hmm. Alright, let's see if baby wipes will get it off. Yeah, a little bit. Getting off a little bit.
I can leave it like that.
I'm going to try to get it off as best I can, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's about the best I can do. I'm going to have to Google how to get permanent marker off of your skin. You don't care though, do you? So here's the footage. I don't know if my SD card is ruined or not. Just got on the water and just whoop, went down. Couldn't do nothing about it. I don't know if SD cards can get wet.
Those are not clear.
I'm sure it's probably okay, but it's not as important as all the electrical components in this thing. So I don't know. I gotta Google it. So everybody online said rice, which I was assuming that's what I was going to do anyway, but I just wanted to see if there was anything new or modern that I hadn't heard of to try. Great thing about the Mavic Mini is that it folds up really easily and small and compact, which is what I really like about it. And so I have a small Tupperware bowl that it just fits right down into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rice in the bottom, and then I'm going to wrap this in a paper towel, because rice kind of has like a powdery substance to it, and so I'm just going to wrap it in a paper towel, then put more rice over the top of all of that, and then put the lid on it and close it up for, and I'll probably do the battery too, and close all that up for they said about 18 hours. So hopefully that'll be the trick, and hopefully I can get this thing flying again.
Oh, you asked what I was doing. I said I'm making homemade rolls because being snowed in means Mama cooks good food.
Okay, so what kind of good food are you cooking?
Well, we've got roast. You have to look real quick because it's got to keep the cooking. And so I'm going to make some homemade rolls.
Okay.
Because, duh.
Okay.
I just want to show you guys my pantry.
Laine's pantry. Whoa!
Aldi
It's
pantry.
high class pantry right there.
High class, baby. Ouch. Knocked my head off. Anyways, looking for some yeast up in here. Rapid rising yeast.
Oh, so you're actually making homemade rolls?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, I
I thought you
is.
just had some store-bought ones. We've done store-bought before.
Hawaiian sweet rolls. That's a whole different
Well,
thing.
those frozen rolls you get sometimes.
Oh, yeah. We do have these. We love Hawaiian sweet rolls. Like, fry them in cast iron skillet because everything in cast iron skillet. And then anything after that is just going to be good. Okay, so I got yeast.
Did Gussie boy come in? Gus, go lay down. Lay down. Good boy, you stay.
He said, I want some food. He said that.
Yeah. So I just checked the weather. We're at 7 degrees. Supposed to get -2 tomorrow. Snowed a little bit, just kind of some flurries today. Looks like tomorrow actually we're probably only may get 5.5 to 6 inches, which is less than what they had originally told us. But that's okay. Then on Wednesday and Thursday we are supposed to get another round of snow. But then it looks like the rest of the week we're going to be warming up. So it's pretty typical for Missouri. We have snow, don't last very long, maybe on the ground for a week at most, and then it warms up and then it all melts.
It's also typical for them to tell us we're going to get like 20 inches of snow and all the bread and milk just flees from the stores, and then we get about 3 to 6 inches.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. So how do 6 people eat dinner together as a family in a tiny house with no table or no dining room? Well, we have a table. We don't have a dining room. I'll get there eventually. I'll show you. Gabriel's my table maker helper. Okay. Pull that up. Pull that out. Good job. Let's do this one. Pull that up. Pull that out. Right there. Good job. So that's our dining room table.
Chason, do you want milk or water?
And then we've just got 6 fold-up chairs that we put back there. And that's how we get to sit around the table, which is very important to us. Hey Gabriel, did you poop?
Yes.
Okay, let's go change your diaper.
It is strong.
Move that trash can.
Woo! Show me the muscles. Oh my goodness, I'm scared.
All right, whose chair's first? What?
Me.
You? Your chair? Ow! Just kick that stool.
Hey, Dada.
Okay, pull it down. Oh yeah. Let's go get some more.
I'm done of you. The dinner's ready. Okay.
Time for dinner.
And this is the story of my life. I've been in here doing this for an hour. And I say it's time to eat. Look who's here. Me and Chason. Dadgum kids, I tell you what.
Hey, hey. Stop, wash your hands.
God is good. God is good.
Amen.
Oh! Just right through the ice. Not deep though. But still scary. I don't blame you, geese head south. Those boots a little big for you.
Yeah, they're getting
Gus, watch out. Watch out.
me. 3.5 inches.
3.5. Wow, that's not very much.
I know. More than we had in a long time, though.
So you guys, we haven't gone outside today yet. Are you a little bummed about that?
No, I'm gonna go outside in like a little bit.
How do you feel about it? Show me your tattoos. Still on there.
Because they're permanent markers.
Gabriel, are you gonna play in the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Carter's gonna be here.
Carter is his cousin. He loves his cousin Carter.
Yeah, but Carter's not gonna be here for a little bit. No.
How's that coffee?
Delish. Hey guys, I'm sorry guys. We're playing sorry. I'm going to go outside.
Board games.
Anyone want
Time for board games. Are you wanting back in?
I can't yellow. I'm yellow. I can't be.
Come on. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy.
Where's Gabriel?
Gabriel, what are we doing?
I'm going outside.
You go outside?
Yeah. And I got one boot.
I gotta give you each other boot.
Yeah, but where is it?
It's in the car. I'll go get it.
Yeah, guys. So, bye.
So the kids are playing video games. Not video games.
Video games.
You guys know me and my words. Kind of like thermostat and thermometer. Kids are playing board games. Laine's going to take a bath, so I got to turn the generator on for that. The reason why is because our well pump is a small one. I don't know what size. I want to say it's like 5 gallon, maybe 10 gallon. I don't know. It's not very big. Anyway, we're going to go out there. Gabriel's wanting to go outside. Me and him's going to go outside and start the generator.
Yeah, but I'm gonna. But do swing on the red swing.
Okay, on the red swing.
Yeah, so can you help me?
Well, we're not going to get on the
Why?
swing. It's too
Why?
cold to get on the swing.
Why?
It's too cold. And it's got snow all over it.
But I can take it off.
Yeah, I know, but we're not going to.
Yes, you do. We have to take it off.
We're going to go turn the generator on for Mommy. Ooh, is it cold here? We won't be out here long, okay? Keep your hands covered up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, keep your hands covered up.
Whoa.
It's cold, isn't it? Okay, here we are. Make sure I got plenty of gas in there. We got gas.
Guys.
We got gas. I'll turn it there. Alright. It's running.
Yeah, and the snow's coming off.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm cold. Woo. Tell Mommy, say it's cold outside.
Let's go.
Was you freezing?
Yeah. It's fun though.
So because of the cold temperatures today, and because it's still snowing, we're not going to be venturing out today for activities. We're going to do that tomorrow instead. Because tomorrow it's supposed to jump back up to like 17 degrees. So, I mean, that's like luxury right there. So nothing froze last night. Temperatures did get down all the way to 0 today. And I think, what do I want to do with my phone?
Is this mine? Mixing mine.
Laine's looking for something. She's making some nachos.
Macho man.
This is mine.
Current temp where we are 1 degrees. That's about where we hit last night. We hit I think 0 degrees last night, and so nothing froze. So I'm not concerned about it now. Or not too concerned about it. I mean, I guess it could still freeze because of the longevity of the coldness, but we've been running the water long enough to where I feel like if it would freeze, that it would have already done it by now. So
I think just taking lots of hot baths will keep that heat going.
yeah, sure. All right, so this is going to be all for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye.
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 I was like, what did you put in there?
Well, it's this.
What is that?
It's bath salts.
Bath salts.
But that doesn't look
Like,
right there
is that
because the pressure is.
Himalayan bath salts? Is that what it is?
It's Layne anti-aging from Hot Springs, Arkansas. Best place in the world to get your bath stuff. But when there's more pressure in the tub, they disperse. You know, they whatever. But this is a little trickle. That's not really that hot. FYCII.
I'm not gonna sit in there.
You're not going to get in there?
No.
That look gross?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that
Mommy,
disgusting?
not.